Edward. Edward, dribbling the ball. Pass to Doctora, basket, 1-0. Jumper, good, 1-1. Dexter, pass to Edward, what a shot! What a shot! Big! Rebound by foul. Stolen by Edward, isa pa, reverse ko na tayo. Yeah. Pass to Adred. Pass to Pau. Wala, rebound by Brian. Alfred, dribbling the ball. Patay. Pabansang reverse, wala. Wala, rebound by Brian. Brian, pass to Edward. Dapat ni-reverse mo! Back to back by Edward, number 20, too small. 3-1. 6 minutes. Bester. Pass to Brian. Doktora, pass to ay! Bilis naman po. Aywa, Dexter. Oh, step back, Jason Dexter for 3. Wala. Cliff, easy basket. 3-2. 3-2. Alfred, with the ball. Time remaining. 5-20. Cliff, pass to foul. Pass to Page. Page, basket. All 3. Ball 3. Good ball po yan. Click with the ball. Clean basket. 4-3. Page favor. Traveling. Good ball. Man-to-man defense. Alfred to Doctora. Doctora! Wala! Medyo lobat si Doctora ngayon. Layup, no good. Rebound by Doctora again. 4-20. Alfred! See you! All 4. All 4 po ang laban. Dikit po ang laban. Hands favor. 5-4. Back to the body. Good ball, Paulo. Good ball. Kalor, 2 points. 2 points po yun. Alfred.
6-5.
Dribbling the ball. 6-4 in favor of White team. Brian. 6-5, Paulo. Okay, Paulo. Pass to Kalor, back-to-back 2 points kaya. Kalor, basket. What a pass. Testing! Bilis yung parang 150cc. Ewan, easy basket.
7.
Oh, what a move by Peg.
8-7.
3 seconds.
2 and 30.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. Good ball. Follow pass to Quick. One pass by Quick to bench.
All 8. Gis ba yan?
Doktora.
8 minutes lang, 8 minutes.
Parang change court yan. Tira mo, change court.
8 minutes.
2 and 2 minutes. What a shot. 9-8. 9-8.
Sa score, 10-10. Pag umabot na ng 10, against na kahit di pa ano.
Ayos na! Ay, umahon na. Oh, good ball.
Foul, foul.
1 and 40. Asan ballpen natin?
1 minute and 30 seconds. Nine eight. Hey, score. Magbaback-to-back loss kaya ang kaibigan ko dyan. Brian, malakas. One eight. Tatlo na po ang kalambangan ng White Team. What a shot by Brian. 1-9. Student. Alfred. Wala. Brian, see you. 10 na. 11. 10. 1-0. 1-0. Hosni pass to Jeff. Grabe. Binabati po natin si Komi Jeremy. Next game na agad yan. Hosni pass to Paulo.
Shout out po kay Kumi.
Paulo Basket.
Yung shout out po kay Kumi.
3-0.
3-0. Wala, sayang, umahon lang.
30.
Shout out po kay Kumi.
Paulo. Pass to Click. Click. Lane basket. 4-0. Edward. Ilista nyo na yan pa kay Edward. 4-1. Isa lang po ang kalamangan. Paulo, Paulo. Basket is good. 5-1. 5-1. 5-50. Maaga yatang matatapos ang laban. Edward Purchase. Sayang, dahon lang. Kaloy to base. Basket. 6-1.
6-1. Pagpasok mo siyang ulit.
Brian. Uy, wala. Di ba by Doktora? Okay lang, kumaring Brian.
6-2.
Kaloy, pass to Paulo. Oh, counted. What a shot. 7-2.
5 minutes.
Last 5 minutes. sa black team. Edward Siu! Ayan! Edward, back to back! 2 points! Grabe naman si Edward. Ano na kanina?
7-5.
2-point lead. Grabe, 3 points. 3-0 run. Made by Edward. Babawi ba? Wala.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Kaya-kaya pang humabol ang black team. Kaya-kaya pang humabol. Doktora, ayos na! Humabol na! 7-5! Dalawa na lang po ang lamang.
6-7-6.
Isa lang lamang, isa lang.
Isa na lang po ang lamang. 7-6, isa na lang po ang kalamangan.
Last ball, last ball.
Oras.
3 and 40.
3 minutes 40 seconds. Isa lang po ang lamang. Grabe ang pinakita ng black team sa pangunguna ni Edward. Okay, back to the ball game. Isa lang po ang lamang, 7-6. Isa lang po ang kalamangan. 20 seconds to shoot. Doktora! Nakuha ni Alfred. Grabe talaga yung depensa. Game is time! Sayang! Ayun na, 2-point game. 18-16. Dalawa lang ang lamang ng white team. Oras.
2 and 50.
Isa na po ang lamang. 18-17. 2 and 40. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Ganda ng laban. Stolen! Galdrawan! Pass break! Ay, sayang. Tatlo sila. Lumaki na po ang lamang. Warning 17. 9-7. Dalawa na po yan. Kaya pa yan. Edward, 2 points. Edward, gusto. For the try! Wala.
Last 2
3 and 1 play.
Last 2 minutes.
Nice defense.
Chill.
Warning, 9-7. Game ball, game ball.
9 pa lang, 20 na.